What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Real back with this video. Today we're gonna design some merch for Keith Lee, so stay tuned and check it out. Peace. Quick disclaimer, this is mock-up merch, meaning this is not real. This is not in any way endorsed by his brand. It's not for sale. This is in no way connected to Keith, his family, his children, his brand. None of that. This is just a passion project. Every picture I use is on a public platform. I Googled Keith Lee, found the pictures on Instagram, found the pictures on Google. I didn't have that much to choose from, so this is just what I went with. Lastly, before we get started, I want to say, do me a favor. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I drop content pretty much daily. Tag Keith in the comment section. I would love to work with him on all his projects, on all his merch, everything like that. Show your boy some love. Like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and let's get started. Alright, so I've had this idea since January 26th, but I have not had any ideas or concepts that I wanted to go with. I kept just leaving it in the back of my mind, and I knew eventually I'd have an idea and I'd have like some inspiration. So during my time of research and just thinking about how I would design and what angle I would attack this on, this is what I figured out about Keith, in my opinion, from my view. In describing Keith's style, I would describe it as earth-toned, simple and effective, sneaker-focused, and streetwear influenced. So doing that, what do we know about Keith? He's from Detroit, which this will influence the design style I choose. He uses the family moniker with emphasis on family, love. He's laid back and chill. He has warm energy. He's empathetic, which I'll use that to influence the tone of design and the colors I choose. He's a sneakerhead, which again will influence the design style I choose. He's a professional MMA fighter. Wait, hold on, what? Hell no.
Get somebody else to do it.
I want no smoke. None, zero. I'm gonna be as respectful as possible. I do not want this motherfucker running up on me, all right? That motherfucker's hands are registered weapons. I want no parts. Fuck that.
Oh, you want something too, old man? Huh? No.
He's a food critic, vlogger, /influencer, /real one. He's down to earth and he's grounded. So my brand goal is to create a well-rounded design featuring some highlights of his career that matches well with his personality and his brand. All right, I didn't get to say this during the video, but it's time to get started. Alright guys, let me know what you think about the first variation of the design. This is where I'm currently at. It's not quite finished yet, obviously, but I want to know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe too. Let's get back to work. Alright guys, this is the final design breakdown. The reason why I chose these colors, I chose orange because it represents optimism, happiness, and enthusiasm. I chose brown because it represents grounding, family, and dependability. And I chose a black outline, which represents power and elegance. The design style was chosen because I wanted to highlight his growth as a person. I wanted to highlight his growth as an influencer and his growth as just a representative online. I think he's done an amazing job using his platform for good, and I wanted to highlight that in this project. But these are all the pictures I can get, so if I had other pictures, I would do it. The tone of the design is family friendly, earthy, grounded. I wanted to add some light tones and some dark tones. I wanted more light tones, but I wanted to also feature some dark ones just to create a sense of balance. Let me know what you guys think about the final design. Don't forget, as always, I love you guys and I hope you got something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, y'all be cool. Peace.